Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic LibreCAD 2.2, how to draw a rectangle. So in LibreCAD, you can see the three options to draw rectangle. You can go to line tools, and first you can use this option, rectangles 1 point. So we'll click at this point. You also can change for the dimensions in the top bar. Like I will set width into 150 and then for height 100. Now you can click to set the rectangle. Okay, you can change again slide into 50 and height 20. Click on the drawing area to apply. Another option, you can create the rectangle by using 2 points. So you can click like from this corner point to the corner point to the top here. And the last, we can create the rectangle by using 3 points. You can click once and you can press shift buttons to draw in a straight line. And then you can set for the third points in this point. So that's it for basic LibreCAD 2.2, how to draw a rectangle.